Oh, what's that, right?
No.
Is that your birthday gift?
Color blue, mommy.
Huh?
Color blue.
Color blue. Okay. Oh wow, sister is a very great help.
Daddy? Daddy, need help?
Do you need help?
Yeah.
Okay. Okay. Yes. Oh, look at that.
Oh wow, very big. Wow. Wow.
I don't know.
Wow. I can't see right. Wow, I can't see you. Wow, very big, eh? Opening gift. It's Ryker's birthday. Oh wow, sister. You're so good.
Open the gift for you.
Yeah, you're helping Ryker to open the gift.
No. Can you open it?
Oh, Daddy is also helping. Wow. Say thank you. Say thank you.
Inside.
What's
Say thank you. Say thank you.
Inside.
Kiss. Kiss.
But the inside.
Okay, let's see what this looks like.
Oh.
What is it? Wow!
Wow.
It's a table with chairs, and you can sit down and you can draw.
Wow.
Chair set.
Okay. Okay, open it. Let's open it. Let's open it. Yay. Wow. Wow.
Wow.
Oh, high chair.
It's mine to do one.
Okay.
Big catcher.
What is that, right?
Big catcher.
Big high chair? Just big chair. Whoa! Whoa! What's that, Amira?
Chair.
A chair.
Okay.
Oh, look! Oh, Ryker, are you going inside? Wow! Where? Let me see. Is it? Okay, can you sit?
I don't.
You strong?
Yeah.
Well, let me see. Wow, look at your table. You and Amira. Wow.
Okay, let me get something to write.
Wow. Hey, Daddy. Daddy, come here. Come here. Come here. Please come here. Get that table pad there.
Daddy, you can't go.
What?
The pad, the table pad that's their gift. The box there. The box there.
Low pad?
Yeah.
Yes.
Yes, both of them. One of each. Get the two. So they are now ready.
I don't think we can both do it at the same time.
Daddy, I'm already.
You're ready. We already did this before?
Daddy. Wow.
Ryker, you have your own.
Ryker, come here. Look, Ryker. Get over for you.
Open yours. Open. Let Ryker open his.
Daddy, hold it.
Okay, first let me get this out.
Whoa, nice gift. Ryker, did you say thank you, Nana? And Papa Bear?
Thank you, Nana. Thank you, Papa Bear.
Say thank you.
Daddy, open it.
Hey, Ryker.
Okay.
Can you help me? Help me. Help me. Help me. Help me. Can you help me?